Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, I'm going to give you a beginner's guide to using a table saw. First thing you need to know is a table saw is an awesome tool. It's used quite a bit in woodworking. It can rip long boards. You know, if you had to cut a piece of wood lengthwise to a specific dimension, it can do that. It's also a very powerful tool, and it's something you have to have a lot of respect for because you can get injured using this tool. You can get injured using any tool, but a table saw in particular, you have to be careful with. Now this is a battery operated one. I'm taking the battery out so I can show you different things here. Now the blade comes up right from here, and this little wheel that I'm turning brings the blade up. This is so material doesn't jump up. Do not, under any circumstances, ever remove that, because it's there for your safety. The blade can turn on angles, so you can cut things on different angles. Most table saws now have something called a pushing tool like this. So the idea is that when you're bringing the material into the saw, you're not bringing your hands across this close to the blade where you could run the risk of injuring yourself. That's a big no-no. You'll see that right now I'm up on a table, and the idea is that when you're using this tool, you don't want it to be below you, because if you lost your step, you could fall into the saw. You want to be working at a comfortable height. It's a really good tool, powerful. You need to practice and watch other videos on how to use it. As a matter of fact, coming up next is a more detailed video of what this saw can do.